Welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. I want to show you what I see in the Bitcoin price chart. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. It's going to be a quick one. You're probably wondering, why did the crypto space just take a dump? Not a massive dump, but a big, little pullback. This is not financial advice. Take a look at this. In my last few videos of analysis, I've been showing you this chart, the William Free lines. And I said to you right back from when it fell right down here that it's possible that we could see the price rally back up, all because it's done it in the past. Now, just real quick, let me retouch and refresh for people that are new here that don't understand this. The William Free lines is powerful because you can spot trends. You can mainly see which way we are going, and it gives you sort of like a indication of when you should be selling. And if you notice, for the most part, when the price action is above this green line, it's on its way, it's rallying, it's in a bull cycle. You can see it here as well, right? And the price never ever touches the green line unless it's already peaked up at the top and it starts to come down. It gives you your first warning sign. I've made these William lines green, orange, red, like the traffic lights. They might be blue for you. If you want to get them up, you can. You can literally click this little square box on TradingView, and then it's right here, Bill Williams Free lines, right? And I think you should grab it up. You should take a look. So when price action comes down after a blow off top, and I'm just going to show you again for just refresh people's mind. I said it in my last videos. You can check the last videos. We usually see a rally. You see, once it pierces this green line, you see a rally back up to the top of the green line, and then for some reason it might not break it, then it falls back down, it pierces the orange line, and then it gets you prepared for when it hits the red line, because after it pierces the red line, you see a massive drop, about 50%. Let's see if I can do it. It's not doing it for me. Here we go. That wasn't the top of it either. That says about 45%. I know that was about 55%. And this has been true for all the times that it's done this in the past. Look, you see a massive rally where the price is, the candles is in front of the green line. Price action rallies right up. You see it bounce off it here. You see it bounce off it here, which is good. I can talk about it in the future. But look, when it breaks this green line, we see price fall down, and then we see a rally up to this top of the green line, and then it's not strong enough. We see candles get rejected, and then it eventually comes to this orange line, pierces through the orange line. That's your amber alert to maybe consider seriously taking some profits before it gets to the red line. And once it gets to the red line, we see at least a massive crash of 40 to 50%. Look at this, 55% crash. So I'm bringing this to your attention again. Why did it happen? Well, I've been expecting it to do this. I really would like for it to obviously break through. Everyone would, because then we can make loads of money, right? Loads of cash, loads of gains and everything else. And well, I'll tell you my opinion in a second. Let me just show you what we're doing right now. Bitcoin's finding heavy resistance where I was saying, right? So yeah, we did come up, but the body of the candle for this month, and this is a monthly time frame, is still within this, green line. So we do ideally would like to see it really come up and come out of the green line. We want to see it come up to this yellow line. I've put this blue line here for the last 3 weeks. Just saying to you that I think this is where it's going to struggle the most, because it's pierced through this green line, and now we're down here. Now it's having its little rally up. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to get this. Here we go. It's having its little rally up, which has gone up to about 32%. It went higher than that. It went up to like 34%, and it's come back in again. What happens next? Remember, these are monthly candles. So does next month candle break above it, or does it get rejected and come back down, and does the month after that come back down, and then there's the month after that pierce through the orange line, and then eventually we get to this red line and then just collapse? I don't know. I just want to put it on your radar. We need to make sure that we're paying attention to this. We do need to see by the end of this month, or at least the beginning of the next month, hopefully it is October, because they call it October, right? Hopefully we can see Bitcoin's price really elevate and come above its all-time high. It needs to. Or it needs to, come above its all-time high, or at least hold candles above this green area for it to be bullish. So I'm gonna leave it here, short, sweet, and simple. If it's helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Look, just real quick, actually, everything else is fine. You got the 3-day moving averages, which are fine. Look, we're still above this green line, we just bounced off it. Same with this here, the what are they called, exponential ribbons. None of them's tangling. It's all fine here. All looks positive in that. And even here, look, this is the weekly 50-week moving average. All looks positive. But this will be its struggle. It must come above. So I'll update you once it breaks out of this, if it can, or if it starts to roll over and we see a red candle next month, then we can maybe really start preparing for what really is going to happen with this project, the whole crypto market in general. Because if this comes down, it's going to bring the rest of the altcoins down with it. I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on these videos. I'm going to keep sharing them to you so you know where you are, what you're doing. See you in the next one. Cheers.
Never be defeated.